details, Andrew, as well about Unit 8 and the environmental tutorials?
Yeah, so this is an important course unit for us. So this is in our second semester. And this is when you work with us, with an academic in a small group environment, in a tutorial. And during this semester, you'll be learning about your research project. So you'll be starting to read about your research project, starting to write your research proposal. So through this semester, you're working with that academic to build up your introduction, your aims, your objectives, your specific introduction, and really start planning your method statements. Try and thinking about the feasibility of your research project. So we very much spend semester 2 thinking about the project, learning about it, doing our reading, writing our introduction, and producing a research proposal. And from that research proposal, we can then leap into semester 3 leap into our research projects and hit the ground running to start our research.
And the last unit is the research project. So if you can give...
Yeah, so that follows on nicely from our tutorial series. So this is a 60 credit unit, and this is undertaken at the end of all your taught component. And it's an important part of your degree. And the projects focus around 2 themes: water pollution or air pollution. We're also adding other themes this year, mining pollution. And you'll undertake an intensive period of study. So online, you'll have all the videos and content. In the first, after your tutorials, in the first part of your research period, you'll have a lot of information in the first 2 weeks to work through. That's videos, lecture slides, worked examples, data sets, and we'll provide you with all the data required for these projects. And then once you have all the data, all the models, you'll then progress on your own independently to produce your projects, with some drop-in technical sessions where you can either send your messages on a discussion board, contact us directly, or have drop-in surgeries where you can come and talk to us about any technical issues you're having. But they're quite good. They're brand new, these research projects, quite exciting, using data from in and around Manchester or the northwest of England. So really, really good.
Great, thank you. I think you wanted to mention the support and service that students can get.
Yeah, so Steve showed us the kind of virtual learning environment, we call it Blackboard. And so you've got a lot of information on there, videos, exercises, models, etc. But there's also personal support. So the university is quite strong. You'll each be assigned an academic advisor who can meet with twice a semester if you're full-time. And those are people in the department who you can contact anytime if you're having issues with personal issues or welfare issues, or just generally struggling with the course. Also, the course unit coordinators are available to help during online office hours as well, if you have specific questions about the course units. And there's many services online at the university. There is a student hub that is on campus. So you can, if you're an online student, you'd walk into these centres and talk about any issues from finances through to stress and well-being. But these are also available for you online as well as an online student. You've got 24 access to the library services and all the services we offer at the university. And we've got a very good careers service. And all these are online, so you can arrange Zoom calls to these services. If you suffer from a disability, again, you can talk to one of our DAS advisors, disability support advisors, and get a support plan in place. And again, those meetings can be held online, so you can talk to our advisors through there. So you've got access to all the services that our on-campus students have as well.